Welcome back to the channel for one. I'm Steve. We got to get out to the barn first. We've had quite a bit of snow here lately. High winds yesterday. Blew one of the doors off to the upper part of the barn, so I got to get that set back in the opening. Until I get those doors I've been making to replace those. Got to get those done. Get that out there. Second thing, you can see you got the truck back in here. Got to lift that up. Seems like the smelling transmission fluid. So I want to make sure there's not a leak somewhere. There could be. I don't know. I don't know what's going on yet. It smells. Got to get hay down to the cows. I'm taking these metal cabinets here. Kind of like these guys. I've used these on in the past for years and years. You can tell they're pretty well beat up. Used to hang up on the wall at my old shop before we got this shop. Anyway, I really don't have any place that I want to put them, so there's a couple things that I want to do in here. One is I'm going to put those up on this here. So we'll raise this up to about a foot, and then we'll put the two of them on there. They'll come in here a little bit. Take up a little bit of space on the this unit here, but that'll be all right. Then I need to straighten up a couple of these legs. This thing sat outside for a couple of years before I brought it in. So I got to straighten up those couple of legs, and these are just some casters I had. So I'm going to buy some better casters for it, and we can get those on there. As you can tell, we use that bench for a lot of stuff. Gonna roll it around. So anyway, I want the cabinets up there so I can do more stuff, leave more stuff on here in those. It'll also clean up the cabinet more. So I want to get that done today. Another thing I would like to try to get done, which I highly doubt will happen, but we'll see what happens, is this table saw here I got a while back. This is the one I'm keeping for in the shop. It's a nice big 12-inch, 5-horse. Was for bridges or something. I don't know. They put it on this huge, looks like almost a 3/4-inch plate steel. Moved it around with a pallet. I've tried the thing out. It works absolutely perfectly. There's nothing wrong with it. They got epoxy, a heavy epoxy they put on it. I got to get that off of it and clean this up. Other than that, it works perfectly. So I want to get it up off of this, make its own little cart, and get it up on caster so I can roll it around. Because I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff that's under here. I'll fix that four-wheeler for my grandkids so they can use it, and then they can stay out in the other shed. There's actually a router table under there. My other son is getting into woodworking, so I'm going to give that to him. One of my sons, Stephen Jr. There's a parts washer there. We'll move that somewhere. It's smaller than this massive thing. So then this can roll under there and come out when I need it. That's all that's going to work. And then that opens up more space in my shop. So we're going to work on that. Anyway, I'm hoping I can get that stuff done today. Doesn't seem like a lot, but at the same time, it's going to be a lot. So wish me luck. Oh, here's something about the shop. Drives me nuts. I think I just got to run the common wire from the thermostat down. But if it's below 32 degrees in here, then my thermostat, if it's below 32 degrees in here, then my thermostat just reads low on here and I can't turn it on. So then I got to take a piece of wire or a jumper or something and jump the wires behind this on the wall to get it running so it heats up in here. So that's another thing I need to take care of because I'm sick of messing with that. All right. Throw my gloves on. Let's go out and try to take care of that door first. Cows are mooing, so they want food. We'll probably deal with that next. Yeah, it's just going to be one of those days. Camera's down here on my shirt, or the microphone down here on my shirt. Let's see how that goes, huh? All right. Well, it's snowing again. Not coming down too hard right now. Got clean in front of the door here. All right. Well, here we go. That needs to be fixed. Wind caught it pretty good. Ripped it right off. Nice big bend in that hinge. Got to get it back in the opening. Oh, that shouldn't be too awful difficult. Let's just try to get it out of here. We can set you guys right here in the opener. Ah, there we go. Woo. I don't know. This shouldn't be too dag-nabbit difficult. Well, that got flipped around because this is the outside. So this should be the top. That's the bottom. I got 2 nails way up there I got to knock out, I think. 2 screws. Well, I mean, I know I'm going to have to get them out of the way. Got me a stick! Can I get those screws pushed out with the stick? Oh. And holy cow. That's 2. Woohoo! That hinge still works pretty good, so I can just flip that over. See, we got the door stops here, so that'll be good. I'm in the process of building some new doors for this. Then we're gonna come in here and just take all this crap out of here, get some new wood in here, new wood, everything on the outside. Yeah, I'll put you down here in the snow. Winter Wonderland. There. Really bellering. Let's go see if they got water. And then we'll get them some food. But there you go. That'll stay there until the next big windstorm. Or until we get the door fixed. Coming down pretty good. Probably gonna have to go for a drive. Holy cow! Oh, that's why. You hear them? It's pretty awesome. I know. You guys are close to dead. I'll get some water in here. Get you guys some hay kicked over. And we'll go get you some more. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, like, subscribe, share it. You know, see if we can get the number of subscribers up. Would be good. We're in the hundreds though, so that's good. Got like 126. Moving on up. But that's it. So God bless. Have a good night. Stay out of trouble, and we'll see you in the next one.